So here is the SIP Rotary table installed on the Acera F1. Yeah, so this is the Swiss combination. I like it a lot. There's no play and you have this super light, absolutely fantastic going. Yeah, it comes with these clamps. They are new, unused, and yeah, the only thing what I could say is that the zero you can see from the side, and you would love to have it here, so while standing. So this is pretty low. Can I show that? Oh yeah, there it is. So here's the second reading. Because this table is originally used in a vertical way and not in a horizontal way. Yeah, here's you can take it out of the gear and rotate it by hand. And when you put it back in, always be very careful. And without play. So this is, yeah, this is a fantastic combination. Really happy about it. And maybe it's an idea also for other people to do the same, because the original rotary tables for the Acera F1 are pretty impossible to find. There are some copies of them, but be careful with the copies, I would say. They are yeah, made in a different time and with different machines than these ones. I don't know how they did it, but they did it in a really beautiful way. So yeah, and let's see if I can show it from other directions as well. Yeah, thank you for watching.